Okay, guys, here we are again. Hello. Guys, hear me? I hope we are live. We better be live. Oh yeah, there we are, guys. We are live again for just another short review today on a day where things came tumbling down. They tumbled down really hard, really hard on Friday, right? S&P 500. Of course, if you didn't realize before that, Bitcoin was not in lockstep with the S&P 500. Basically, the S&P 500 kind of went up a little bit and Bitcoin just went down. And then when the S&P 500 decided to go down, not by a lot, only 1%, Bitcoin just tanked. And this is the problem with crypto, guys. It is really too volatile. So you guys are going to have to be extremely careful when you are playing cryptos. And this is why what we have here is next week during our trading class, we are looking at other things other than cryptos. Plus, we are also looking at trading things like options. Custom streaming services again. Yes, I consent to being live stream, of course. I was already live stream just now. And again, the computer decides to go down with the power because the power is really not enough. It is really frustrating. But we will get our computer once Apple releases the new computer, which I don't even know what day it is, okay? I have no idea. Let's see if it does come back in. You guys see that? Did I just do that? Yeah, I did. I'm just going to wait here, okay? Let's see here. Am I back online, guys? Am I back online? But we will get our computer once. Okay, cool. I'm back online. Don't believe it. Okay, let's go now. Okay, we are back again. Again, this is so stupid. Sorry for the stupidity here. It's my computer, you know, it's 2018. I'm just doing so much intensive things like video streaming, and it's just killing the computer. Seriously, it's killing the computer. So when a new one comes up, what I will do is I will probably sell this current one, which is half dead, and get a new computer that can also do a lot of not streaming. Streaming is easy, right? Can also do a lot of all those videos. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. This is quite interesting. Again, let's go to Bitcoin here. Let's go to Fear and Greed Index. Fear and Greed Index as usual. Let's change the screen now. Go back to the Fear and Greed Index. Brave browser. Is it? Yeah. Fear and Greed Index. Let's go to the normal S&P first, right? Because again, we have to look at both. Where are we now in the Fear and Greed Index? We're neutral. That's good. It's not like we're here, right? So we're kind of neutral. So maybe this has room to run for the S&P. But don't be surprised, guys, because I will say, right, the traditional markets can run higher while Bitcoin tanks. That is what we saw before. No surprises there. No surprises there. Yes, they tend to move in lockstep, especially with the NASDAQ, but I will not be surprised if the S&P recovers while leaving Bitcoin. But if the S&P tanks, Bitcoin will tank. That is a guarantee. So again, we're up to 27. We didn't even reach 60. This is sad. We never reached 60. We didn't even reach 50. That's disappointing. Very disappointed. See, I was expecting at least 50, maybe 60, but we were near there, right? So we already saw this last week. When we are up here or near 50 here, just be careful, okay? Just be careful. It tanks down. It tends to tank down here. Okay, this one it went higher and then here. So 50, I think the next one is to use is 50, really. So now we're back at 27. So it looks now for this like 50 on this fear and greed index is something that you should really, really fear. S&P 500 has tanked. This was the thing. It was going all well here, and then suddenly it decided to tank on Friday. And this brought down Bitcoin a lot. S&P only went down a little bit, which is really, really frustrating because S&P went down like 1%, right? 1.29, maybe 1.5 from 4.3, 1.5. And Bitcoin goes down 20%. That's kind of sad. That's what I do not like about cryptos because it is so volatile. You got to take profits when you got to take profits. It's too volatile. Let us go here and let's see Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see where Bitcoin is here. Let's go here. Let's go Ethereum. Let's go here. This is the, no, that's not S&P. Okay, let's go BTC here. Where are you going next? Let's go Bitstamp here. So there is BTC. And this is the issue now, okay? How are you going to draw the chart now? Not even up to the golden pocket at 28. Never reached there. It looks like 25. Was rejected at 25 here. 1, 2. And if it goes up, that could be the flip. 23.5 could be the flip back down, or it has to challenge here again. So you guys have to decide. I basically told my group, Monday, get out! Take profit on Monday, right? A little bit early, but then you saw the thing just tanking down like nobody's business. I'm just upset. I'm just upset, okay? I'm just upset. But again, it shows here that what this needs to do is, if it goes up here and fails, we are in big trouble. If it wants to go up, probably has to go like this, and then challenge again. And then we'll see if it fails again. If it goes up like this. But the thing is, this could potentially happen also if it fails at 23.5. Again, look at that level, guys, 23.5. Very, very key now. Because will it flip? Will this become resistance or not? That is the issue. Where's Ethereum? Well, maybe Ethereum has some more legs, a little bit of more legs, because Ethereum basically has our triple halvening to go to. Let's look at this line now. That's it. That's nice. Not 17, which is the old target, right? When you said 17 was the old target, 2, it just went 2 and just decided to go down. So again, the psychological levels is very, very important for this. Again, this is another one here, 1734. It is so big, it'll have to hit this and go past this, or that's, it will also lose this line. And here we are back again to 1347. That's not fun. 1347 is not fun, okay? But again, markets go up and down. So let's see, Bitcoin, where are you now? I'm just looking at the dominance. The dominance seems okay, you know. I'm surprised that the dominance hasn't gone up. 38.5 is good for altcoins, actually. The altcoins have fallen, right? It's like if it goes to 36, it probably will signal the end of the alts rally if this goes to 36. But now it's like 38.4. So I guess some of the other alts are doing quite well. Let's look. EOS 146, Lido. So they're having strength. Radix, they haven't fallen. That hasn't fallen. That was like at 20. It's now like 19. That literally hasn't fallen. So that was 160. Now it's 146. That literally hasn't fallen like the usual crypto. So some alts are doing very well. That's good. But let's see now, what is causing this problem? Is it the Mt. Gox thing? So I just heard that the Mt. Gox, they're going to get their Bitcoins, whether it's mid-August or end of August, we do not know. Whoa, FTX grew 1,000%. FTX grew 10 times in a year, right? They're buying everything. Web3 games incorporate features to drive female participation. That's good. Who accepts Ethereum as payment? DeFi needs to start real world value if it wants to survive. Can Web3 be hacked? I don't know. What else is there? Is it centralized? This is good. FTX. I think the exchanges are going to be good. Okay. This is like 2018, 2019, you know. It was the exchanges that showed in 2019, which in our timeline is 2023. I'm not surprised that FTX is doing very well. Of course, Sam Beckman-Fried, in a sense, also has a stake in Solana, right? So Solana, FTX, Radium, all that. Many Bored Ape are in danger of getting liquidated as borrowed money comes back to bite. Oh, NFT lending per Ben Dow. 3% of its entire Bored Ape collection recently entered the danger zone of liquidation. This is the problem when you collateralize things. This is the problem. Okay, let's see this. You want to collateralize things, you better be careful, you know. This is like having margin stuff. You collateralize things when they are low. You don't collateralize things at very high prices, right? Or very high, what do you call it? Floor prices. What is this? Borrowed money sit perilously close to being forcibly sold. That could even, no wonder FFTs are bad. Ben Dow, that lets users borrow ETH against their NFTs, take out a loan equal to 30% of their NFT's floor price or the minimum price to purchase one. This kind of makes sense because as it goes higher, as the NFT goes higher, that's when Ethereum goes lower, right? You kind of borrow against that NFT, you put it into Ethereum, but then when Ethereum goes up, you just sell and grab back your NFT. So it kind of makes sense, but I think there's no discipline here. Maybe I have to use Ben Dow too. So floor prices have tumbled so much so 45 of the 272 Bored Apes are now in the platform's danger zone. When NFT is used as collateral, close to being auctioned off. This is not bad. Maybe I'm considering using this. I would try using this 30 to 40%. This is good, but you want the floor price to be high. And then you switch it into Ethereum, ride it back up. So they probably didn't sell. Again, you just don't sell. Yeah, correct. So this is also dangerous, okay? The short-term fluctuation for price is normal. Consensus on blue chip wasn't built. It will not collapse in a period of time. Okay, so this is another problem here. Okay, so again, when did they borrow this? Most of risk being liquidated. Let's see. Bought their apes months ago when the floor price was 125. It's fallen to 70. But Ethereum has gone up, so I don't understand. Unless they wasted that Ethereum's on shitcoin. Seriously. Simply pay off the loan plus interest to withdraw the NFTs from the site. I don't understand it. They get 40% of this, but the Ethereum has gone up higher, right? Unless you got to pay in Ethereum. Okay, you're probably got to pay in Ethereum, so you're in deep, deep trouble anyway. That's it. ETH price. Yeah, lending services remain denominated in the Ethereum. That's the problem. That's the problem. Oh my God. Okay, I have to see this again. 5% of the original floor price. Mutant ape for sale, including few beauties. M2 horns has a bit above floor. Wow. Wow, bits must be 15% of the price floor. This is interesting. Franklin, the largest borrower, 60 Bored Ape taken out more than 10,000 ETH in loans from Ben Dow. Franklin tweeted that he has since paid off the loans. Whales can be to smaller participants. So these are the guys that are causing the problems in NFT. Again, it's borrowing again. Wow, he borrowed this. 9 ETH. Okay, so again, so gotta be careful, but this is quite interesting, you know. Maybe I want to borrow this. Haha. This is cool. You can borrow Ethereum, kind of write it all up. Let's see for the next cycle. I'm definitely interested in this, but just got to understand how this works. Okay, so that's Cointelegraph. What? Okay, could be worse than you think. Let's go here. cup and handle for breakout mode 3. Why is this? Further turbulence ahead. 470 million in liquidations, excessive stablecoin lending. Okay, that's it. August 19, the all-important 1 trillion was tapped. That's not good. That's not good. Proof of work mining could increase demand for fossil fuels, so the US lawmakers requested crypto mining energy consumption and energy costs. 7 to 14 Bitcoins or 9.7% loss. Yeah, that sucks, ETH10. Norm rather than exception. This is not good, you know, because I also see this on altcoins. So this is quite dangerous. Yeah, this just went like that. And there, another one, 628. So even the altcoins could tank, although the altcoins are now more steadier than Bitcoin, actually. Futures should trade at 4 to 8 month annualized premium, compensate the risk. But now what? The 9.7 caused investors to eliminate any optimism using derivatives. So even the futures on the options have gone down. Backwardation. Okay, this is good. 470 million. Wow. Liquidation. So a lot of people got liquidated. Again, this always happened. Nobody learns. Margin trading again, could buy a tether, increasing crypto. Borrowing Bitcoin can only be used to short it. So did the tether balance go down? USDT, BTC margin lending. It's gone up, guys. It's gone up. That's never good. It's gone up again. So you really got to clear them. Okay. Okay, there's just a lot of derivatives. I understand now. Just people borrowing. Again, this is dangerous, you know, because if you see it, this is what brought down the entire crypto market in May 2021. If you remember. Of course, we don't remember this, so I have to remind you guys. Let's look at some other news here. Let's look at this. I like to look more at this. Let's look at Coindesk. Maybe we'll be less depressed. But now we know why even the blue chip NFTs are falling. Again, it's always this disease of leverage. Why Bitcoin is falling, disease of leverage. So it's not Mt. Gox. So you still have Mt. Gox to deal with. See, if this stays down, the Mt. Gox coins are released, they're just going to sell because they don't want it to go down anymore, right? This is bad. Global inflation concern. So they say this is global, FDIC, FTX for others to seize misleading information. Oh, bankrupt crypto lender says it has likely enough cash to last throughout the end of the year. Okay, let's see this. Is inflation coming back? Yeah, this one talks about the Fed, right? Linked to poor inflation data in Germany. So Germany caused it. 24,000 more than 8%, is down 13% for the week. The decline started in overnight trading, coinciding unexpectedly high inflation data in Germany. Germany's annual producer inflation was at 37%. My God. Producer prices track the prices of goods and services sold by manufacturers for a region. The German PPI data is analogous to the US PPI. Wow. By comparison. Wow. So it is the federal funds rate. They are expecting higher, right? So this is also ETH. So we're back here again. And of course now, September will be very, very key. Let's see Forex Factory. Now what's happening to Forex Factory? And so many issues here, guys. And let's see what is coming on to next week, or rather this week. So we're going to have a very, very interesting September. And let's see what brings in September. Nothing on Euro, GBP. I didn't know when Germany could bring us down. Prelim GDP. Okay, Thursday is something that is cool. Okay, this is also big. Jackson Hole Symposium can go anywhere. Friday, definitely Thursday and Friday, dangerous GDP. Are we saying that we have another recession now? And Friday, wow, busy Friday with Jackson Hole, guys. But again, you really got a good look at seasonals, right? What does September bring for Bitcoin? It doesn't bring good, okay? September is actually very bad for Bitcoin. I'm just going to show you this before I go. Just remember this. September is very, very bad. August, sometimes good, sometimes bad, right? Good. July, okay, June, bad. October is good. Good. It's November, December. Yeah, so September is always a red September. So just be ready for that. I did told you the parameters. It is really up to you. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Just be cautious, okay? And I am going to see you next week because we are rearranging a lot of things, okay? We're rearranging a lot of things. I just brought a guy in to handle the things that I'm doing so that I can plan on some other exciting developments. And we do have a lot of exciting developments that we are going to develop, but it will probably take us about 1 month. Yes, I'm very realistic. 1 month to flip to the new operating thing. And, a lot of exciting things are happening. As I said, during this time, during the bear, I am building. So while the crypto market or Bitcoin, since it says it's going to be a very negative September, I am building in September. I am building in September. And that's what we should do. There's a lot of opportunities now. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Merge can price of ETH still go up? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. And that's what I said. But again, if you are going in, you are challenging this. This is the problem. Can? Of course it can. But I don't think it will go up after that. It can. But again, I showed you before, right? If it challenges that 1734, think. Like I told you last week, like get out on Monday or get out most of it on Monday, right? That seems very prescient. Yeah, but again, I don't like going against statistics. I'm very simple. If statistics says like this, you know what my answer is. If it was still going up, then I say, yeah, it probably can go up until the merge, but that fall recently was very hard. Let's go and see this. Let's go and see the Fed. What is the Fed decision in September? Fed decision in September. It's going to be near September 15, right? So you know September 15th is gone. So if you know September 15th is gone, are you going to hang on September 10th? I don't know. I won't hang around. I'd be gone before that. Fed decision in September. Let's see this. September 20th, 21st. So there's a lot of bad things in September. September 15th is the merge. And then it's after that. Not good. Doesn't mean that it cannot go up. I'm just saying it's not good. I like to play probabilities. I really like to play probabilities. Okay, guys, any more questions? Any more questions? Because we got to learn how to play probabilities. There's some that we miss. There's some that we do not miss. But I think last time, this round, we executed pretty well. Not bad. Okay, we got the where to buy right. We got the Bitcoin and Ethereum going right. We got the altcoins right. We got when to sell right. It's all based on probability. You know, sometimes our emotion is against our probability. I would say follow the probability. Even if you don't sell all, sell half at the probability. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I will see you later. Bye.